This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You sign into Gmail or go directly to your Google account page. Once logged in, navigate to Personal Info. You do this because the display name is stored at account level, not inside individual messages. Make sure to use the desktop interface for full editing controls. Mobile apps sometimes limit fields. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one you want to change. Then follow to the name section. This is the first actionable step that starts the rename process. You click Name, hit the edit icon, and type the new first and last name. Once done, review capitalization and spacing because this is visible to recipients. If you add a display-only label like a middle name, consider readability for email clients. Make sure to save and complete any reauthentication prompts. Google may ask for your password or two-step code. After saving, allow a few minutes for propagation. Emails you send later will show the new name in most clients. You finish by sending a test message and verifying the new name in the From field. Once confirmed, the change is complete for most recipients. If you don't see the update, make sure to clear browser cache, sign out of all devices, and sign back in. Propagation or cached headers often cause delays. If Google blocks the change due to policy, follow any in-app guidance or contact support. As a troubleshooting tip, reauthentication and cache clearing solve most update delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.